In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable HSTs in Firefox. We will walk through two options so you understand exactly what is changing and what you will see on screen. First, open Firefox. Make sure the main browser window is active and you can see the address bar near the top. If you already have several tabs open, that is fine. Just stay in the tab where you want to change the settings. Now type About Config in the address bar and press Enter. Firefox will not load a normal web page here. Instead, you should see a special configuration screen that lets you search for hidden preferences. The background is usually plain, with a search box and a list area below it. Accept the warning. Firefox shows a warning page because changing these settings can affect how the browser behaves. Click the button to accept and continue. Once you do that, the full list of advanced preferences appears, with a search field at the top and many lines of settings underneath. From there, search for the setting named network.stricttransportsecurity.preload list in the search box. Type it carefully, because even a small typo can hide the preference from the list. As you type, the results should narrow down until you see that exact preference as a single entry. Double-click the preference to change its value from true to false. You will see the value column switch from the word true to the word false immediately. There is no extra save button here. The change applies at once and affects all tabs, including ones you already have open. This disables Firefox's built-in HSTs preload list for all websites, which weakens browser security. The preload list is a collection of sites that are always forced to use secure connections, even before you ever visit them. Once this list is disabled, those sites can be opened with regular HTTP if something tries to load them that way. Next up, let us look at clearing HSTs data for just one website instead. Press Ctrl-Shift-H on your keyboard to open your browsing history. A library window appears, usually in front of the main Firefox window, showing a list of sites you have visited, organized by date. Find the website in the history list. You can scroll through recent entries or use the search box in the top right of the library window to filter by the site name. When you search, the main list updates to show only matching addresses, which makes long histories easier to handle. Right-click the website entry. A context menu appears right beside your cursor, with several actions related to that site. This menu affects only the selected entry, so take a second to confirm you have highlighted the correct domain. Select Forget about this site. Firefox removes that site's stored history, cookies, cache, and any learned HSTs information. The entry vanishes from the history list. Be aware that this does not affect domains included in Firefox's built-in HST preload list. Those still follow the preload rule even after forgetting them. You have now either disabled the Firefox HST preload list for every site or cleared HSTs data for a specific site you chose. If this helped you get Firefox to treat your site the way you needed, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more Firefox fixes.